Hello everyone, I'm Nupur and welcome to my YouTube channel Impactful Learning with Nupur. First of all, a big thanks to my learners and students for appreciating my first video on formal letter writing. I hope it is giving absolute information to write a formal letter. So students, keep on liking, sharing and subscribing my YouTube channel. Okay? Now let's get started. So today's topic is key impactful elements to consider before understanding reading, writing, grammar and literature topics. Fine? I would like my learners to copy this content which is in the box because it will surely help them to understand the subject English of grade 6 to 12 CBSE. Firstly, I would like to start from the reading section. Now here is the complete description which will give you deep analysis about the reading section. As you all know, the reading section consists of unseen passages. So what are the key elements to consider before reading the unseen passage? First point, read the questions and keep them in mind. Read the passage carefully. So firstly, you have to read the questions and then read the passage, as it will save your time and you will be able to find the answers quickly. Second point is keep your answers short, crisp, to the point and in your own words. Okay, don't write the same sentence which is given in the unseen passage. Try to convert the sentence in your own word. Keep it short, crisp and to the point. Third point, recall your vocabulary to answer the antonym and synonym type questions. Okay, so you have to recall your vocabulary to answer the antonym and synonym questions. So this is the grammar. Third point is based on the grammar section. So students, these are the 3 points which you need to consider before reading the unseen passage. Now let's come to the literature section. Literature section consists of prose, poetry and novels. Fine. So I'm taking the letter chapter of class 10th. Key elements to consider. So what are the points which we need to remember before reading a story? A point, read about the author, his or her other writings and achievements in the literature field. It is very important to know about the author, his style of writing, what are the other literary works of the writer. Okay, now second point is understanding the plot, the style of writing and the genre. Genre means it consists of 4 elements or parts: character, story, plot and setting. So these are the 4 points which describes genre. Now C point is expanding the vocabulary with new words, usage of new words. So you have to expand your vocabulary also. Okay, whenever you find a new word in your story, so find the meaning, start using that new word in your speaking and writing. Fine students. Now D point, critical analysis. That means provide your opinion on each part by asking the right type of analytical questions. Okay, theme and moral value imparted through the story. So this D point is very important. Now the fifth point, that is the E point, is understanding it with real life situation. So all these points you need to consider before reading a story. Am I clear, students? Now let's come to the poetry section. So I have taken the poem Frog and the Nightingale, which is of class 10th. So what are the key elements to consider? First point, read about the poet, his or her other poems and achievements in the poetry field. B point, understanding the poem and the poet's style of writing. C, poetic devices and their usage in the poem. So what do you mean by poetic devices? Poetic devices are imaginary, personification, metaphor, etc. I will be taking a separate video based on poetic devices. Now D point, critical analysis. Provide your opinion on each part by asking the right type of analytical questions of the poem. So you have to critically analyze the poem also. E point, understanding it with real life situation. So these 5 points are very important whenever you read a poem. Right, students? Now let's come to the long reading text or novels. So these are the key elements to consider. A point, author's writing style. B point, plot and genre. C point, understanding the setting and the background. D point, analyzing the satire, the use of humor, that means the use of humor, irony, exaggeration, etc. E point, critical analysis and characterization. So students, these are the key elements which you need to consider before starting the story, poem or novel. Okay, now let's come to the grammar section. So in the grammar section, if the topics are modals, determiners, tenses, etc. So these are the key elements which we need to consider. First, essential components of these topics. B, rules to be kept in mind while attempting the task. C, common errors made and how to avoid the errors. D, usage and relevance in current day. E point, understanding and solve the sample questions in the form of gap filling, editing and omission and corrections. This E point is very important. When you understand the complete topic, then you have to solve that topic in the form of gap filling, editing and omission and error correction, because in this way only the question comes in the examination, especially 9 to 11th. In 12th class, we are not taking the grammar section till yet. Now let's come to the writing section. Writing section consists of diary entry, formal letter, story writing, notice, report writing, article writing, etc. So what are the key elements to consider before attempting the writing section? A point, their application in the current day. Okay, which is very important, that why we are writing the diary, why we are writing a formal letter, that why is very important, right students? B point, latest format to write a diary entry, formal letter, etc. You need to be updated with the latest format of diary entry, formal letters, article writing, speech writing, etc. C point, which is very important, that is rubrics of assessment, means on what basis the teacher will give you the marks on writing section. So the rubrics are content, relevance, brevity, which means concise and exact use of words in writing or speech, fluency, flow of ideas, grammar, sentence structure and spellings. Right students? Please understand the C point very carefully. It is very important. Students ask that on what basis we get marks in writing section. So these rubrics are very important to know. Okay, now the D point is understanding the sample questions with solution. So it is very important to see the sample questions, to see the solutions, and then solve the sample questions. Okay, the unsolved sample questions. So students, I hope this complete video is very impactful and very useful for you all, and please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel, that is Impactful Learning with